To build secure applications for thousands or millions of users, you need scalability. And to achieve scalability, you need automation. Security automation. Which is what you'll be learning in the DevSecOps Masterclass, AppSec Automation Edition at BlackHat USA 2023. This is a 2-day training designed to get you cutting-edge skills in security automation for a modern stack. You'll learn how to integrate security activities in multiple stages of the SDLC and deep dive into SAST, DAST, SCA, and supply chain security, where you'll go hands-on with integrating security tools into CI/CD pipelines. Using real-world security scenarios, we'll explore supply chain security automation, secrets management and encryption, policy as code for access control and input validation, and so much more. Each lesson also features challenges that let you test your skills in lab exercises. This is a comprehensive, hands-on look at DevSecOps in a modern environment, with techniques and research that you can implement in your own organization's infrastructure. This is our fastest selling course at BlackHat, so grab your seat before they run out. Click the link in the description for more details and register today for the DevSecOps Masterclass, AppSec Automation Edition.